What's good, YouTube? Back with another video. In this video, I'm gonna be changing or attempting to change my motor mounts on this car. I got it through all three. Got through the front, back, and the side. The side is very easy. It's the back that I hear is a bitch. So we're not gonna waste no time. We're just gonna jump right in and get right into it. Okay, so I heard there's two 17s on top. I have an impact, but it's dead. And I forgot to charge it, so. Going at it by hand. No, we are not. We are gonna wait for the impact.
3 hours later.
You're never going to learn until you try it. And if you try it and you can't do it, then you call for help. I tend to ask for help when I'm lazy. And look what I'm doing. My birthday's in freaking 3 days or so. I gotta finish. Alright, so I didn't record the rest of doing the rest of the mounts. But let me tell you, these things are fucking cooked. And this one I replaced recently and it was already going bad. Alright guys, so I'm sorry for the crazy bedhead right now. I didn't really record an outro. But I ended up getting all three mounts done. That back one took the longest because it was easy, but it was difficult in a sense. So I gave it probably like difficulty level, probably like a 6 out of 10. You just need the right tools, and I did for the most part, but I just needed like more extensions or whatever, I guess, and I didn't have enough extensions or long enough extensions. But anyways, the job got done, so the car is officially technically drivable now. And now I just gotta put the back 3-piece wheels on, and my exhaust comes in on Monday, the day of my birthday. So we're gonna throw that on the car next week, and I can't wait for that. So stay tuned to the next video, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos.